To apply for permit services, we have to go to goatransport.gov.in and we have to click on the link for services and permit services. So it will be diverted, the link will be diverted to the Vahan Citizen Service site hosted by Ministry of Road and Transport. You have to select the state, that is Goa state, and the RTO where the vehicle is, where the citizen's vehicle is registered. Right now I am selecting RTO Panaji to register my vehicle. Then I apply for permit services. So the main criteria to apply for permit related service is a vehicle number, that is the vehicle number which is registered, and the last 5 digits of the chassis number. So I say proceed. The registered mobile number will be shown, and on that mobile number only the OTP will be generated, so that only the owner can avail the service to his mobile and proceed. So this is the dashboard which is shown for this vehicle number J07F0122, and we are applying for a fresh permit, national permit. The vehicle details are shown, the vehicle class also, and the details, vehicle details are shown, the owner details are shown, the current address and the present address, its validity is shown here, and in permit details we have to feed in the record which we need to submit. The permit type is national permit, and if the vehicle is national permit, the weight, based on the gross weight, we have to select the type of permit category. So for this case it is heavy goods vehicle, since the weight is 13,200. The period is 5 years. We select service as goods service. For a national permit, the area detail has to be compulsory all India, because it is a national permit. The optional details are the parking place and the purpose of journey, which is optional. So nature of goods to be carried out has to be entered also. It is hazardous or non-hazardous. So it is predefined. The list of hazardous and non-hazardous nature of goods are defined. So once you select non-hazard, all the non-hazard good type will be shown. So for my selection is general goods. I just say select general goods and I submit my request. Once I submit my request, I hereby declare the terms and conditions and proceed. So the temporary application negation generated, and it goes for verification. So this application number goes for verification, which is show. You again verify that the data what you have entered is correct and submit. Again you accept the conditions and proceed. So now the application what you have generated will be proceeded for payment. So if you are ready, you say pay now. So the permit details are checked. Is the fresh permit is 1,300 and permit authorization is 1,000, total 2,000. If you agree, I hereby agree and make the national permit fee payment online. I proceed. If it is a success to online banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking is successful, you will get the receipt after successful completion of the transaction. You will get a receipt. You take a print using this button, or you go back. Now we have to pay the moth fee. So if you click on apply permit, it will give you an error that you have to pay moth fee. So click on pay moth fee. So 16,500 composite fee has to be paid by the applicant at the same time. So you make national permit payment. So it goes for national permit payment. It auto fetches the vehicle number and the chassis number. You don't have to type anything, and you get this screen. You select the enforcement clearance and you do the net banking service. And also remember that you enter the vehicle mobile number, the same mobile number what you have entered in the vehicle database. The same owner's mobile number has to be fed in here, and you verify the details. So you proceed for the net banking payment, state bank payment. You enter the verification code 1 3 and you make the I declare and make the payment process. Do you want to proceed? You say yes, and a print will be generated of the 16,500 composite fee. You go home. If you want to check the transaction, after 2 hours the transaction will be successfully done. You check the transaction here, you click on this. After successful transaction, you come here, come back to your place, go to the home profile, and you again click on pay moth fee. Once you pay moth fee, if the amount is successfully transferred into the treasury, then you will get this. The button will be changed as fresh permit approved. So it is going to the approval stage. Once you click on this, the application is successfully completed and we can print the national permit, either by application number or registration number. Get the details, take the print of both the permit certificates, that is the main permit and the authorized state or home state authorization permit. You take a print, save. This is how the print will look like. It is a auto generated print. Then you take the next print, permit authorization print. This is how the permit will look like, authorization permit. You go back, and now if you want to take a print of the first get a print to know the NP authorization permit number. You just have to click here, go to print receipt and see again what the receipt is, NP authorization number is. Show the receipt. This is the NP authorization number. You just have to copy this. So at the time of printing, it asks the NP authorization number. So you enter the, go for print, national permit certificate print. You just type in the vehicle number 0132 79345, chassis number, and this is the permit number. Show. This is the print. So this is how the procedure is over. 3 prints are taken, the national permit, and this is how the procedure is over. Thank you.